Take me to Alberta, Canada, the traveler said. I want to see the famous stampede that takes place every year in Calgary. This is Khalil Sakakini with a travel video postcard. It's a huge place with rolling hills and vast plains, soaring mountains and miles of lakes and rivers. Banff and Jasper and Cranmore are famous winter playgrounds where the skiing is world class, and families come to play and frolic on one of nature's really unspoiled playgrounds. Edmonton is Alberta's capital, not so very far from winding bike paths and challenging golf courses. This is Canada's largest producer of oil and oil products, but you'd never know it by the beauty of the land. Canada, of course, has many places of beauty. Alberta is proudly one of them. Watch our other travel video postcard.